The next preposition we will study is the preposition at. The speaker sets the premise that the object of the preposition is defined as keen, as a concentrated unit. The speaker applies the preposition at to signify the relationship that the subject of the preposition exists on the pinpoint that the object of the preposition exists in. There is a clause. I called you at 9 a.m. with the fact that the speaker applies the preposition at in this clause. The speaker connotes the premise that the object of the preposition 9 a.m. is defined as a pinpoint that is keenly defined. The speaker applies the preposition at to signify the relationship that the subject you of the preposition pinpoint to be on the specified point in time indicated by the object 9 a.m. of the preposition. There is another clause. I called you at the park. The speaker connotes the premise that the object of the preposition, the park, is defined keenly as a concentrated unit. The speaker applies the preposition at to signify the relationship that the subject you of the preposition are pinpointed to be on the specified place indicated by the object, the park, of the preposition. With the information about tense revealed by the transitive verb called, the point in the past when the action indicated by the transitive verb called actualized was when the subject of the preposition you existed at the pinpointed place indicated by the object, the park. The next preposition we will study is the preposition about. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship that the subject of the preposition exists in the range of the object to include the relevant object to the object of the preposition. The speaker connotes that the subject of the preposition exists near the object of the preposition. The range to include the object of the preposition, the object of the preposition about. There is a clause. We talk about his opinion with the fact that the preposition about is applied in this clause. The speaker connotes that the subject of the preposition we exists the object of the preposition his opinion, and the range includes the object of the preposition. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship between the subject, we, of the preposition and the vast range of the relevant objects to include the specified object, his opinion, of the preposition. There is another clause. The speaker connotes that the subject of the preposition about the meeting exists near the object of the preposition 12 o'clock. The range that exists in includes the exact object 12 o'clock of the preposition about. The speaker applies the preposition about to signify the relationship that the subject the meaning of the preposition exists in a period to include the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition. The range of the object in time can be as a period. The next preposition we will study is the preposition around. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject of the preposition exists except the object of the preposition, but close to the object of the preposition. The subject of the preposition around exists near the object of the preposition, but the range that the subject of the preposition exists in excludes the exact object of the preposition around. Compared to the preposition about, does not include the exact object of the preposition in the range to include the subject of the preposition. There is a clause. The meeting is held around 2 o'clock. With the fact that the preposition around is applied in this clause, the speaker connotes that the subject of the preposition around, the meeting, exists in a range near the object 2 o'clock of the preposition around, but the range that the subject, the meaning of the preposition exists, does not include the exact object 2 o'clock of the preposition. So the range of time as a period. We can think of the meeting is held at 1:58, 1:59, 2, 1, 2, 2 o'clock, but not 2 o'clock sharp. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject, the meaning of the preposition exists, except the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition, but close to the point in time indicated by the object 2 o'clock of the preposition. There is another clause. He walks around the river. The speaker connotes that the subject of the preposition he exists in the range close to the object, the river of the preposition, but the subject does not exist at the exact object, the river of the preposition. So we can know that the subject does not dive into the object, the river. The speaker applies the preposition around to signify the relationship that the subject he of the preposition exists, except the place indicated by the object, the river of the preposition, but close to the place indicated by the object, the river of the preposition.